Now let us see model 3 from permutations and combinations. Here previous question from IIT, find the sum of all 5 digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 0, 2, 4, 7, 8 without repetition. Here we have to remember a few points. The given digits are 0, 2, 4, 7, 8. Here how many digits? 5. So n value 5. In these digits 0 is including. So we have to remember including 0. And the next point is sum of all 5 digit numbers. That means given number of digits, required 5 digit numbers are same. And one more thing, without repetition. Here in this case we have to apply the formula sum of all digits into n minus 1 factorial into take ones, number of ones up to n times minus n minus 2 factorial into number of ones up to n minus 1 times. Here we have to take n value as 5. First sum of all digits. So given digits are 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8. N value 5. 5 minus 1 factorial. How many ones we have to take? 5 ones minus 5 minus 2 factorial. Here n minus 1 times, that means 4 times. Take 4 ones. By simplifying this, the sum of all digits is 21. 4 factorial into 5 ones minus 3 factorial into 4 ones. 21, 4 factorial means 24 into 5 ones minus 3 factorial means 6 into 4 ones. By simplifying this, we get the value 5459958. Now let us see fourth model from permutations and combinations. The question is, find the sum of all 4 digit numbers that can be formed using the digits 0, 2, 4, 7, 8 without repetition. Here we have to remember a few points. Given digits. What are the given digits? 0, 2, 4, 7, 8. First thing, how many digits? 5. That means n value 5. In this digits, 0 is including. That means including 0. Second point. And third point is we required 4 digit number. That means r value 4. That means n value is greater than r value. And one more point, without repetition. In this case, we have to apply this formula sum of all digits into n minus 1 p r minus 1 of take ones r times minus n minus 2 p r minus 2 take ones up to r minus 1 times. Here sum of all digits means 0 plus 2 plus 4 plus 7 plus 8. Next n minus 1. What is n value? 5. 5 minus 1 p r value 4. 4 minus 1. Take ones. How many times? R times means 4 times. That is 4 ones minus n minus 2 means 5 minus 2. P r minus 2 means 4 minus 2. Here once we take r minus 1 times. R value 4. 4 means 4 minus 1. That is 3 times. Take 3 ones. By simplifying this, we get this 21. This is 4p3 into 4 ones minus 3p2 into 3 ones. That is 21. 4p3 value 24 into 4 ones minus 3p2 value 6 into 3 ones. That is equal 21 into 26664 minus 666. By simplifying this, we get 545958. So in this way, these 4 models in permutation combinations we can solve within 30 seconds of time.